What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? Look at the beautiful colors. Enjoy the nice views while you listen to me talk, and leave your comments down below. As of right now, I'm going to ask you, like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Look at that tree. Look at those trees. That's so cool. Love that color. The whole Red Bull F1 cost cap scandal, whatever you want to call it. If you are any sort of involved with F1, or like if you watch, or if you not watch, if you use Twitter, it's hilarious. Just the amount of like drama, bullshit fans. It's great. I absolutely love it. I enjoy very much arguing on the internet, so this is like great for me. In the comments below, you tell me, what do you think the punishment should be? Because as it said, it's a minor infraction. Are you of the mindset, puppy, hi puppy, are you of the mindset that even though it's just a minor infraction because they broke the rules, that, oh, Max Verstappen should lose his championship and they should be banned? Yes, I've seen that. The whole team should be banned, as I have seen that. That's an opinion that people have. And I'm of the fact too that if any team, and I'm saying like whatever the cap is, 140, 145, something like that, if they went over, if any team doesn't matter, went over by like 20 mil, something ridiculous. The smell of diesel. If a team went over by like a massive amount, you know, like 10%, 15, 20%, I can understand that. That is a reasonable response to the rule. As far as we know, let's see here. As far as I've heard, it's anywhere between like 1 to 5 million. Which, granted, 5 million is a lot, but out of a $140 million cost cap, that's like what? 3-point-something%? And that's on the high end. If that's 5 million, it's like 3-point-something%. Or somebody do the actual math if you want. I don't care. I'm doing general layman's terms math. And I'm saying this as a Red Bull fan. Let's just get that right out of the way. I like Red Bull. I like Ferrari. But I'm saying this as a Red Bull fan. If Mercedes went over by 3%, I would not be claiming for them to be banned and their championship to be ruined, and saying that every championship they win from here on out is ruined because they're cheaters and the world is ending. Yes, they broke the rule. Okay, but look how Red Bull, like, or not at Red Bull, look how F1 penalizes people. And this is like the hilarious part of F1 to me. The first couple, whatever it is, first 2 engines that you're over the limit, you're like a 10 grid place penalty. After that, it's a 5 grid place penalty. It doesn't make any sense. You know, if you cut the corner of a track and you gain 10 seconds because you don't have to do a chicane or whatever it is, you know what you might get? A 5-second penalty. The like penalty to infraction to the penalty ratio in the F1 doesn't make sense. And I saw today too, somebody was saying, oh god, if I can find it, whatever, it was something about like Max Verstappen needs to lose his title because if you cheat, you're a cheater and the team is blah 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 blah. And then like the next comment down was the same person saying, oh, but this isn't about Max Verstappen, it's how the team operated. Like, okay, if you're saying Max Verstappen needs to lose his title, but then the next tweet saying it's not Max Verstappen, well, then you should be saying Red Bull should lose the title. Red Bull as a team. Because nobody's saying anything about like Checo. Everyone's blaming Max Verstappen for cheating. It's all on him because he won. You know, everything is, oh, it's all his fault. He's the cheater, da 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 da. Mind you, there's still 2 cars that raced on that team. Yes, the money is split, but nobody's saying anything about Checo because he didn't win. Nobody cares because he isn't the winner. If it was reversed, and I'm saying Hamilton won the championship last year and Verstappen came second, I bet you this would be a non-problem. I mean, it would still be a problem, but like people would have nowhere near as much of a like burning, kill, you know, heads on a pike you know, Dr. Frankenstein villagers with forks and torches mentality. I find it funny because it's everyone's saying, oh, F1 is so biased now and everything is so bad and I can't believe it's such a boring sport because he's won twice. It's like, F1's always been a boring sport. I mean, look, for like 8 years straight Mercedes won. You knew Mercedes was going to win pretty much every single race, and you knew they were going to win the championship just because they had a better car and they spent more money than everyone else. Okay. Spending money in F1 is a thing. It has been a thing forever. Whoever has the most dollars is the winner, basically. I mean, that's how it's been forever. You have the most money to throw at the sport. You have the most money for the best drivers, the best mechanics, the best parts, the best upgrades, you know, whatever. Engineering, R&D, all that kind of stuff. Whatever. We're not going to get into it. But I want to hear in the comments below, what do you think? Are you a Alpine fan and you really hate this? Are you Alfa Romeo fan? You could give a shit less, whatever. Whoever you are you a Mercedes fan? You're ready to put, you know, Red Bull on the pike? Are you a Red Bull fan and you've got your shield ready for the Verstappen army? Whatever it is, I don't know. Just comment something down below. I want to know your opinion on this. Like, it's funny to me because I'm not super related to it. Like, yes, I watch F1, yes, I like Red Bull, but I would have rather have seen Ferrari win this year, but Ferrari bundled it for themselves. You can't blame Red Bull for having a better car this year and Verstappen being so much faster. Ferrari did their own problem. They fucked themselves, so we're not even going to get into that. But again, comment down below. Tell me what you think if it's a big deal, what the penalty should be, whatever your opinion of it is, who your favorite driver or team is, whatever. Do you watch F1 or are you just watching this because you like my beautiful voice and I appreciate you to no end? Whatever it is, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game, and I appreciate it. I love y'all. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace!